Hello everyone, wish you a happy and joyful new day. Today we grow cucumbers again, everyone. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. To grow cucumbers, I will first show you how to create seedlings using aloe vera. First, we cut the aloe vera into small pieces and put them in a cup. Then pour enough water to dissolve the nutrients. Then, we add the cucumber seeds and let it sit for 30 minutes. Incubate for 30 minutes to help the cucumber seeds absorb nutrients from the aloe vera plant, helping the seeds germinate faster. After 30 minutes, we start to germinate cucumbers. I will choose a nursery pot with suitable soil, then take the cucumber seed incubation cup and put it in the nursery pot and cover the surface of the pot with a thin layer of soil and spray water to keep the soil moist. Then we leave the nursery pot in a cool place to help the seeds germinate faster. After 7 days, we prepare plastic boxes to grow cucumbers. We punched holes in the plastic box to drain water and prevent the plant from getting waterlogged. to help melon plants grow better. Today I will use plastic bottles to make automatic green fertilizer and automatic watering system. I punched holes in the compost bottle and cut off the bottom. As for the water bottle, I used 2 small plastic tubes connected to the bottle to water slowly to help the plants retain moisture longer. To keep the soil loose and provide nutrients longer, I use rice husk mixed into the soil. Vermicompost is an environmentally friendly organic fertilizer with many long-lasting nutrients, so we can apply it to the soil before planting. When we put soil into the melon planting box, add enough rice husks to the bottom of the box to make the soil loose. And the watering can remember to place 2 water spouts towards the 2 plants to provide better water to the roots. After 7 days, the cucumber seeds we sowed are healthy. Now we start planting them. To provide long-term nutrients for the plants, I use green manure, which is a type of leaf that has many compounds, and put water in a plastic bottle to keep the plants moist. Green manure leaves provide organic nutrients, improve soil, control weeds, and protect the environment. Green manure helps increase organic matter and nitrogen content in the soil, improve soil structure, retain moisture, and reduce leaching. And to decompose faster, I add Coca-Cola. After 15 days, the melon has strong roots. We need to fertilize to help the plant absorb better. First, we weed and add more soil to the plants. We need to add more soil to the soil to provide more nutrients needed for plants, improve soil quality, increase fertility and resistance for plants, and prevent erosion and mitigate climate change for crops. To have enough nutrients for the melon plant to grow, I use the discarded bitter melon to fertilize the plastic bottle. At this stage, the melon has vines and needs a trellis. I use bamboo sticks to make a trellis for the melon. There should be enough space for the plant to climb. After 25 days, the cucumbers grow well and produce many flowers. At this time, it is necessary to increase nutrition for the plants and prevent pests and diseases for the plants. First, We need to direct the vine up the trellis as desired so that the plant has enough space to grow. To make cucumbers bear fruit better, I use male flowers to pollinate female flowers, helping the fruit bear better, bigger, and more beautiful fruit. And now we weed, fertilize, and water the plants. Worm castings are always my go-to because they provide nutrients, improve soil structure, are highly antibacterial, and stimulate soil flora. They are an environmentally friendly organic fertilizer. Great, the cucumbers are 55 days old thanks to my good care. The plants have produced lots of big, beautiful fruits. Now I can enjoy my work. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.